Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of financial freedom strategies that work for anyone, no matter their age. Whether you're just starting your career or nearing retirement, there are actionable steps you can take to achieve financial independence. We'll explore practical tips, proven methods, and real-life examples that can help you build wealth and secure your future. So stick around as we uncover these strategies and empower you to take control of your financial destiny. Financial freedom means having enough savings, investments, and cash flow to afford the lifestyle you desire without being burdened by debt. In today's fast-paced world, achieving this independence is crucial for reducing stress and enhancing overall well-being. The benefits are immense, including the ability to pursue passions, travel, and enjoy life without financial constraints, regardless of your age. However, many people mistakenly believe that financial freedom is only for the wealthy or requires a high income. In reality, it's about smart planning and making informed choices. Creating a budget is a vital step toward achieving financial freedom, as it helps you understand your income and expenses. By tracking where your money goes, you can make informed decisions and prioritize your spending. Tools like Mint and YNAB, You Need a Budget, can simplify this process, offering user-friendly interfaces to manage your finances effectively. To get started, regularly track your expenses and categorize them, then set realistic financial goals. This approach not only keeps you accountable, but also empowers you to take control of your financial future. Understanding investment strategies is crucial for building wealth at any age. One key concept is compound interest, which allows your money to grow exponentially over time. For younger investors, options like stocks and ETFs can offer high growth potential, while those closer to retirement might prefer the stability of bonds. Regardless of your age, starting early is essential to maximize your returns. Additionally, diversifying your investments across different asset classes can help mitigate risks and enhance your portfolio's performance. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more you can benefit from compounding. Having multiple income streams is essential for achieving financial security and reducing reliance on a single paycheck. By diversifying your income sources, you can better withstand economic fluctuations and unexpected expenses. Consider exploring side hustles like tutoring, freelancing in your area of expertise, or creating passive income through investments or rental properties. Successful ventures include online courses, e-commerce businesses, and affiliate marketing. These options not only boost your earnings, but also provide opportunities for personal growth and skill development, paving the way for a more secure financial future. Managing and reducing debt is crucial for achieving financial freedom, as high debt levels can limit your options and increase stress. Two effective strategies are the snowball and avalanche methods. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first, providing quick wins, while the avalanche method targets high-interest debts to save money over time. Additionally, maintaining a good credit score is essential for securing favorable loan terms. To improve your credit score, pay bills on time, reduce credit utilization, and regularly check your credit report for errors. Planning for retirement is essential at any age, as it ensures financial stability and peace of mind in your later years. Different retirement accounts, such as 401ks and IRAs, offer tax advantages that can significantly boost your savings. It's crucial to start saving early, as the power of compound interest can greatly enhance your retirement funds over time. To determine your retirement needs, consider factors like your desired lifestyle, expenses, and life expectancy. Setting clear goals and regularly reviewing your progress will help you stay on track for a secure retirement. A positive mindset plays a crucial role in achieving financial freedom, as it influences your decisions and approach to money management. Believing in your ability to improve your financial situation can motivate you to take proactive steps. Continuous learning about personal finance is essential for making informed choices. Resources like books, podcasts, and online courses can enhance your financial literacy and provide valuable insights. By cultivating a growth mindset and seeking knowledge, you empower yourself to navigate financial challenges and work toward your goals with confidence. In this video, we explored essential strategies for achieving financial freedom, including effective budgeting, wise investing, and building multiple income streams. We emphasize the importance of managing debt and planning for retirement, all while maintaining a positive mindset and enhancing financial literacy. Remember, taking actionable steps is key to transforming your financial future. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others. Don't forget to check out our related content on the channel or website for more valuable insights on your financial journey.